Hello children, welcome to class 3 computers. Children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 3 computer software. So children, we were doing chapter 3 of our computer book IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes, computer series 3. Children, so we had completed the chapter and we were doing book exercise. Children, in exercise also we had completed question number A, B and C. And children, we were doing question number D. Question number D, we have question answers. We had completed question number 1 and 2, and today we will be doing question number 3. So children, as we usually do, before starting question number 3, children, we will revise what we did in our previous video. So children, in our previous video we had done question number C and question number 1 and 2 of question number D. So let us revise these questions, children. So question number C, we have fill in the blanks. So children, in question number C we have fill in the blanks. Question number C, fill in the blanks. Firstly children, first one is dash is a software which controls all the activities of a computer. So children, as you know, we have studied about two types of software. One is application software and the other one is सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर में हमने बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स पढ़ा जिसको यूज़ करके वी डू वन और द अदर टास्क यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. एंड इन सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर वी हैव स्टडीड दैट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कंट्रोल्स एंड मैनेजेस the computer, the working of a computer. It controls overall working of a computer. Whatever activities are done on the computer, through the computer, is controlled by the system software. So children, here dash is a software which controls all the activities of a computer is system software. तो हमने यहाँ पे दो सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में पढ़ा था. एक सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है, एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है. एप्लीकेशन को सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज़ करके हम अलग अलग सॉफ्टवेयर को चला करके वी डू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ work or we perform different types of work, whereas system software is a software which controls all the activities which is done by the computer. So here the answer is system software. In first one you will write system software, SOFTWARE, system software. Now this is first answer, that is system software. Secondly children, dash is the first software loaded onto a computer when the computer is turned on. As I told you children, operating system is the software which has to be loaded first when you on the computer. So answer is operating system, OPERATING, operating, SYSTEM, system. So children, as you know, operating system is a part of system software. Operating system जो है वो system software का एक part होता है. So thirdly children, dash is the series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Apple Inc. So here incorporated, Inc का मतलब incorporated. So children, Mac OS is a series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Apple Inc. So the answer is third one is Mac OS is a type of operating system. जो Mac OS है वो एक तरह का operating system है. Then fourth one children, dash is a free open source code operating system. So what is free open source operating system? That is Linux, LINUX. So children, in the chapter we have studied about these three types of operating system. One is Windows, second is Linux, and the third one is Mac OS. But other than these children, we have many operating system. For example, you know children, Android is a operating system, then Chrome OS is operating system. So आप अभी बहुत छोटे हो तो इतना आपको जानना जरूरी है कि ये कुछ examples है operating system को, which operates the computer, which controls application software, which controls hardware part of the computer, and it also checks whether all the part of the computers are working properly or not. And even it is responsible for starting the computer. So computer को boot करने के लिए भी it is responsible. So children, these are the fill in the blanks. First one is system software, second is operating system, third one is Mac OS, and fourth one is Linux. After that, children, we had done question answer also. So first question is, what do you mean by software? What do you mean by software? Mention its two main types. So as you know, children, as you have studied in the chapter, software means a set of instructions given to the computer to tell how to perform any task or particular task. So software means a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform its a task या particular task या specific task. As we know, children, जो सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर काम को करता है. जैसे कि आप जानते हो, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर की बात अगर हम करें तो डिफरेंट वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. जो एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर किसी भी एक तरह के काम को करता है, इसलिए हम एक वर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं, स्पेसिफिक या फिर पर्टिकुलर. सो सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन विच इज़ यूज्ड विच that tells a computer how to perform any task or work is called the software. उसके बाद children, the example of software is application software and system software. उसके बाद children, we have question number 2. What is an operating system? So children, as we know, what is an operating software? As we know, children, जो operating system होता है, इसका मतलब है कि operating system is a bridge between user and the computer. जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है, यूज़र और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के बीच में एक ब्रिज है, दोनों के बीच में लिंक है जो दोनों को जोड़ता है, यूज़र को कंप्यूटर से जोड़ता है. और मेन पर्पस ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज टू कंट्रोल ऑल द एक्टिविटीज डन बाय द कंप्यूटर. द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज टू कंट्रोल ऑल द एक्टिविटीज डन बाय द कंप्यूटर. सो इतना लंबा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, वी विल जस्ट राइट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम is a software which controls all the activities done by the computer, or which controls or takes care of all the activities done by the computer. And examples of operating system are, children, as I told you, क्रोम OS हो या विंडोज़ हो, MS विंडोज़ आप कह सकते हो, या मैक OS कह सकते हो, या फिर लिनक्स है, या फिर उसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, आप एंड्रॉयड कह सकते हो. तो ये सारे सॉफ्टवेयर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडेज एक्सरसाइज विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर डी का थर्ड क्वेश्चन. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर डी में हमारे पास है, क्वेश्चन आंसर में हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर डी है, हम उसे लिख करके यहाँ पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर डी में हमारे पास है, चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट व्हाट इज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में हम लिखेंगे व्हाट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. What is system software? Answer. Give examples also. हम यहाँ पे कुछ examples भी लिखेंगे. Whenever we write about something, we should give example also. Give examples. EXAMPLE. Examples. Now answer, children. What is a system software, children? What is a system software? A system software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of the computer. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, children, कंप्यूटर को मैनेज करना हो, कंट्रोल करना हो, या फिर एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को चलाना हो, ये सारा काम सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर करता है. तो हियर द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज टू कंट्रोल एंड मैनेज द overall activity or all the activities performed by the computer. And the example of operating system, the example of system software is, children, operating system. Operating system is one of the system software. और उसके examples आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. उसमें आप लिख सकते हैं विंडोज़ लिख सकते हैं, एंड्रॉयड लिख सकते हैं, अबंतु लिख सकते हैं. देन यू कैन राइट लिनक्स, MS विंडो, या फिर मैक OS लिख सकते हैं, लिनक्स लिख सकते हैं. तो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. तो लेट अस राइट द आंसर. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर? गिव एग्जाम्पल. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. system software, system software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of a computer. Overall activities of a computer series. For example, operating system. For example, operating system, and examples of operating systems are Android, Chrome, OS, then Ubuntu, Linux, MS, Windows. So children, these are the example of system software. So what is system software, children? System software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of a computer series. For example, operating system. Operating system is one of the important part of system software, and example of operating systems are Android, Chrome OS, Ubuntu, Linux, MS, Windows. So children, with this we have completed question. System software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of a computer series. For example, operating system का एग्जाम्पल है एंड्रॉयड, क्रोम ओएस, अबंतु, लिनक्स, MS विंडो एटसेट्रा, क्योंकि और भी बहुत सारे हैं, इतना लिमिटेड नहीं है, देयर आर मेनी मोर, इसलिए वी विल राइट हियर एटसेट्रा. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Okay, question number 4, children. Explain any two types of application software. So children, we have studied about application software in the chapter. What is application software, children? Application software means, children, set of instructions given to the computer to tell how to perform a particular task. Set of instructions given to the computer to tell how to perform a particular task. So children, the examples of application software are MS Paint, MS Excel, MS Word, Logo, all these are examples. So children, here you are going to explain about any two type of application software. यहाँ पे हमें किसी भी दो टाइप के application software के बारे में हमें explain करना है. You are going to write about any two types of application software. So we can take any two. We have studied about many. हमने लोगो के बारे में पढ़ा है. वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट MS Paint, वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट MS Excel, वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट MS Word. So any two of these we will write here. So we will write about, children, the firstly we will write the question number 4. Word, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a type of software. It helps you create document. It helps you create documents with ease and efficiency. With ease and efficiency. So Microsoft Word, it helps you to create documents with ease and efficiency. So children, you can create a document with Microsoft. So children, answer, we will write about any two types of application software, children. Firstly, we will write about Microsoft MS Word. So children, Microsoft Word is a type of application software which helps to create a document with ease and efficiency. So Microsoft helps you, is a type of application software which helps you to create documents with ease and efficiency. Now, second type of document, this is A, children, and B. We have to write about one more. Here we have to write about two application software. Second one is Paint, P-A-I-N-T, Paint. Second wala hai Paint, children. As you can see here, Paint is also a MS Paint लिखेंगे हम. MS Paint is also is another application software that helps you to work with graphics you can draw and paint with, you can draw and paint with this software. The one line we will write here, the one line which is left there, you can draw and paint with this software. You can draw and paint with this software. So children, here in this question we had to write any two type of application and explain this. So here we have MS Word and MS Paint. As we know, children, MS Word is a type of software which help you to create a document with ease and efficiency. So हमें आसानी से और अच्छे से अच्छे तरह से, मतलब एकदम परफेक्टली डॉक्यूमेंट बनाने में हेल्प करता है. उसके बाद MS Paint है. It is another application which helps us in drawing and coloring. So with this children, we have completed question number 4 also. So here we have to explain any two type of application software, as we have studied about different types of application software in the chapter, but we had to explain only about two types of application software. So let us do, children. Question number 4. In question number 4, children, differentiate between cold and warm booting. Differentiate between cold and warm booting. As you know, children, cold and warm booting means डिफ्रेंशिएट का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ का अंतर बताना. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो तरह की बूटिंग है. चिल्ड्रन, बूटिंग का मतलब होता है स्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर के स्टार्ट होने के प्रोसेस को हम बूटिंग कहते हैं. तो हियर देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ बूटिंग. बस वन इज कोल्ड बूटिंग एंड द अदर वन इज वार्म बूटिंग. तो एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन द चैप्टर, कोल्ड बूटिंग मीन्स स्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर एंड वार्म बूटिंग मीन्स रीस्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर. सिर्फ इतना डिफरेंस है. तो इसी डिफरेंस को हम इस क्वेश्चन में लिखेंगे एंड वी विल कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन. सो विद दिस वी कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हियर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. डिफरेंशिएट यानी दोनों के बीच का अंतर. यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स है, कोल्ड एंड वार्म बूटिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. डिफरेंशिएट. डिफरेंशिएट यानी दोनों का के बीच का अंतर. जो दो टर्म्स यहाँ दिए गए हैं, कोल्ड एंड वार्म बूटिंग, कोल्ड बूटिंग एंड वार्म बूटिंग, दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है वो हमें बताना है. तो यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन वी हैव डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन कोल्ड, COLD, कोल्ड एंड वार्म, WARM, वार्म बूटिंग. कोल्ड एंड वार्म booting. Now children, answer is what is cold booting? Firstly we will write cold booting. Cold booting का मतलब होता है starting the computer, the process by which or the process of switching on the computer. The process of switching, the process of switching on the computer, COMPUTER, computer. The process of switching of the computer is called cold booting. Cold booting. The process of switching on the computer is called cold booting, whereas second term is warm booting. Warm booting, BOOTING, booting. तो दो तरह का बूटिंग होता है एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द प्रोसेस टू रीस्टार्ट a computer. The process to restart a computer that is already powered, 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 that is already powered on, is called warm booting, 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 warm booting. So children, here is question, differentiate between cold and warm booting. Cold booting, the process of switching on the computer is called cold booting. So children, कंप्यूटर को ऑन करने के प्रोसेस को हम कोल्ड बूटिंग कहते हैं और रीस्टार्ट करने के प्रोसेस को हम वार्म बूटिंग कहते हैं. वार्म बूटिंग में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पहले से प्रोवाइडेड है, मतलब वो चल रहा था, किसी कारणवश वह बंद हो जाता है, हम उसे दोबारा शुरू कर रहे हैं तो हम उसे वार्म बूटिंग कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड कोल्ड बूटिंग एंड रीस्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर व्हेन द पावर इज ऑन इज कॉल्ड warm booting. So children, with this I hope you have understood the difference between cold and warm booting. Now we'll do our next question. Our next question is children application based question. हमारा next question है question number E. Our next question is question number E. Question number E. Question number E we have application based question. So after, as we know children, computer is a skill based, हमें सीख करके उसे अप्लाई करना है. We apply it in our day to day life. So here we, after the end of every chapter we have one application based question. So question number 1 हमारा है, Kapil K-A-P-I-L, Kapil is restarting, R-E-S-T-A-R-T-I-N-G, restarting. Kapil is restarting his computer. Kapil is restarting his computer. What type of, T-Y-P-E, type of booting is he doing? So can you tell me the answer children? Can you tell me the answer? What is the answer children? What is the answer? Kapil is restarting his computer. What type of booting is he doing? Kapil is restarting his computer. What type of booting is he doing? So children, Kapil is restarting his computer. What type of booting is he doing? As you know children, कंप्यूटर को रीस्टार्ट करने को हम वॉर्म बूटिंग कहते हैं. तो यहाँ एज कपिल इज रीस्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर, ही इज डूइंग वॉर्म बूटिंग. सो आंसर इज वॉर्म बूटिंग. वॉर्म मतलब पहले से उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज ऑन, ही इज ओनली रीस्टार्टिंग इट. दैट इज वाई वी कॉल्ड इट एज वॉर्म बूटिंग. दैट इज वाई वी कॉल्ड इट एज वॉर्म बूटिंग. Kapil is restarting his computer. What type of booting is he doing? So the answer is warm booting. So children, with this we have completed question number 1 also. Let us do the second question of the same. So let's do question number 2 of application based question. In this question, under this question we have 2 questions. Second one is children, question number 2 is Rohan, R-O-H-A-N, Rohan is drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures on his, H-I-S, his computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Which, W-H-I-C-H, which software is he using? So can you tell me children? Rohan is answer. Rohan is drawing pictures on his computer. Which software is he using? So children, if you want to draw a picture in your computer, which software do you use? आप कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हो जब आपको पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करनी होती है? So children, for drawing the pictures we use which type of software? We use MS Paint, M-S-P-A-I-N-T, Paint. So children, if you want to draw picture on a computer, you use MS Paint, because MS Paint is a application software using which you can draw and color. So here Rohan is drawing picture on his computer. Which software is he using? If Rohan is drawing a picture in his computer, he is using MS Paint software. So MS Paint is a software with which we can draw graphics or we can draw and color. हम graphics बना सकते हैं, हम draw भी कर सकते हैं और color भी कर सकते हैं. So children, here we have question in which there is a boy called Rohan. Rohan is drawing pictures on his computer. What Rohan is doing? Rohan is drawing pictures on his computer. Now in the question it is asked which software is he using. As we know, using MS Paint. MS Paint is a application software using which we can draw and color in computer. So here children, Rohan is also using MS Paint program, because using MS Paint program we can draw as well as color. So children, here in the answer you will write MS Paint program. So as we have studied about different types of application software children, and using application softwares we can do different types of task, and each software is used for doing a particular टास्क, मीन्स हर एक प्रोग्राम को यूज़ करके हम एक पर्टिकुलर टास्क ही कर सकते हैं. तो हमने एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर में बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स के बारे में पढ़ा है. फॉर एग्जांपल MS वर्ड फॉर मेकिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, MS पेंट फॉर ड्राइंग एंड कलरिंग, कैलकुलेटर फॉर डूइंग कैलकुलेशंस, and logo for making figures, pictures, or also we can do simple calculations. So similarly children, here also if Rohan is drawing a picture, he is using MS Paint program or a software. So with this children, we have come to the end of this video. Go through the chapters which we have done today, complete the exercise in your book itself, learn the spellings and learn the question answers, as well as fill in the blanks, learn the spellings of fill in the blanks also. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you. Stay fit and healthy.